In today's video, I'm sharing with you how to fry the best Ghanaian street food. Fried yams with fish. Yele kelo nashi bakbako. I know for sure you're going to love it. Hello and welcome back. If you're new here, nice to meet you. So let's jump right in. To start off, I have here my nicely clean red snapper. I'm going to go ahead to marinate it with some garlic powder, but you can use any season of choice, okay? To that, we'll add in some sage, some onion powder, salt to taste, and cayenne pepper. We'll mix everything together, making sure every part of the fish is well seasoned. Then marinate it for about 30 minutes, but you can go ahead to fry it right away, okay? Meanwhile, I'll go ahead to prep my yam. So I'm going to peel it, then cut them into the size I prefer. I'd like to take this opportunity to say a very big thank you to my returning and new subscribers. I just want to say God bless you for your support, and I really appreciate you all. And if you're new here and you have not yet subscribed, what are you waiting for? Like and subscribe to join this amazing family, and trust me, you won't regret it. Thank you for subscribing. So some people like to cut them into smaller sizes, others like them into big sizes, okay? But I like it in the diamond shape, which is the traditional way. But of course, you can cut it whichever way you prefer, okay? Next, I'm going to transfer it into a large bowl, then wash it with cold water. So we'll fill up the bowl with water and wash it thoroughly until my water becomes clear. So I mean washing it 3 times, okay? Next, we'll pat dry the yam, making sure the yam don't have any excess water. Then I'm going to add in some salt, mix it really well. Next, I'm going to add in some turmeric powder because I'm going for the yellowish color. So I added about ½ tablespoon. I'm going to mix it really well and set it aside until I finish frying my fish. Now our fish is well marinated. We'll go ahead to heat up some oil and add in some onions, scotch bonnet pepper, and some garlic. We'll allow the oil to heat up, then go ahead to sprinkle some flour. This will help the fish not to stick to the pan. So once the oil gets heated up, I will then go ahead to add in my seasoned fish, then fry it until it is nice and golden brown. After 3 minutes, we'll go ahead to flip the fish over so that the other side can also cook as well. Once the fish is well fried, we'll remove everything out from the oil and transfer it into a paper-lined tray to absorb any excess oil. Next is to add in my yams to the hot oil and fry it until it is nice and crunchy. Guys, just look at the color. Doesn't it look beautiful and inviting? So friends, once I'm done, we remove the yams from the oil and transfer it into a paper lined tray to absorb any excess oil. And that is it, guys. Our lunch is ready. So inviting. See, there's no way when you serve this to your family, they will reject it because it is that good. Just listen to the sound. Very crunchy. So head to your kitchen and make this yummy-licious recipe. All right, guys, thank you all so much for watching, and until I come your way with another deliciousness, please stay blessed and happy. Bye, guys.